lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face pad. I use this pad a lot of times. I use it to clean my face. I use it to do so many things. I also use it to apply some product to my face. So without further ado, we're going to jump into the video. So you're going to be needing your 3.5mm hook, and you're going to be needing your yarn, scissors, and your yarn. So you're going to start by making a slip knot, and then you insert your hook into the slip knot. So to make a magic circle, we are going to be chaining 4. You chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when you chain 4, you're going to insert your hook into the first chain, which is this, and then you're going to yarn over and pull through. So you're going to be having 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to make a slip stitch, pull it through the other one, and then after pulling it through the other one, there's going to be like a tiny hole here, down here. So you're going to start by chaining 2 again. After you chain 2, you're going to be making double crochet, 12 double crochet into this tiny hole, which is by inserting your hook into the hole. You yarn over first, then you insert your hook into this hole, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So let's do it again. This is the first double crochet. I told you we are going to be making 12. So you're going to yarn over, pull through, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that magic circle, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it again. Let's make double crochet again. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over again, pull through 2. So you're going to repeat this process until you get your 12 double crochets, and I will meet you at the end. So guys, we've gotten to the 12th double crochet. So what you need to do is to insert your hook into that first chain we made, and then yarn over, pull out a loop, then make like a slip stitch, pull it through the other loop, and then you drag this thread, like draw it so that it can close up. See, that hole is closed. Then to make the second row, you have to chain 3, 2, 3. After chaining 3, at this stitch here, you make 2 double crochets. You make the first double crochet, and you repeat that same process. You make, at the next stitch, you make another double crochet. You repeat it again. So all together you should be having 24 stitches in this row. So I'll meet you at the end of the row. So you're going to insert your hook into the chain, the first chain, yarn over, pull through, and then make a slip stitch. So we are going to chain 3 again. You're going to repeat the process you did in this second row. In the third row, you're also going to make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So we are going to make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch here. Just repeat the process, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this third row. So what you need to do is to insert your hook into the first chain we made, yarn over, pull through, and then make a slip stitch. So when you've made a slip stitch, you're going to be chaining up 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you chain up 20, you insert your hook into this space. You can insert it into any of the spaces that is closest to you there. So when you insert, you yarn over, you pull through, and then you make a slip stitch. When you make a slip stitch, if you want, you can just yarn over and cut your wool here, but I like to attach mine to the next stitch. I like to make a slip stitch attaching mine to it like this, just so it's firm. And then I also like to go over to the second stitch again and attach it. Then I'll just yarn over, make a slip stitch, and then I'll cut my yarn. This is what we have here. So I'm just going to weave in these ends. Sometimes I just feel lazy working with my yarn needle, so that is why I just look for ways to weave in my ends with my hook. So this is what our face pad looks like. Why I made this handle is just so when you finish using it for your face, you can hang it so that it's going to get dry. So I hope this video is informative and you've gotten something from this video. If you are going to try this, please leave it in the comment section for me, so that, and tag me anytime you do it. So I'm going to see you in the next one. If you've not subscribed, please remember to hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. Tell me what you think about this. You can actually use any yarn that works for you. Some people use 100% cotton, some people use acrylic. This is actually an acrylic fiber. So if you're going to try it, don't forget to leave it in the comment section and tag me. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.